Alright, it's your boy Big Tank from Double South. So for this tutorial, we want to create this nice sweet website. Let's say this for you now. So what we'll do, we'll go create all this fine navigation. And since I hover around now, they show this small red thing for the top now. So we'll do one like that, and if you hover on the button now, it go bring out this nice transition for you to click enter Google Plus, or maybe to like for Twitter, or add to your cart now. Then you see this button being now, when we hover around, it give us this our nice animation now. You see now. Then when you hover on this navigation button now, you can see bring out this nice transition effect. And if you click, it go the next for you like this now. Should you get? Go the next. See how this thing sweet now. So you know a nice thing. So be like say we want create inside this tutorial, and we will use Font Awesome now to bring out all these icons for inside this place now for this tutorial. Then this slide where you see now, so now swiper that we see now. So any I go show now how this thing they play and how we fit achieve this nice design. Like I see this for you now. So I still be a lawyer boy Big Tank for Double South now in IDB. So follow me for this tutorial series. We'll design this thing together.